Welcome to the future of beverage production. This is the brand new Freez Mix Factory, a cutting-edge facility operated by BBBI under the Casatli Group. As the largest beverage production hub in Cyprus and the region, this marvel of innovation is located in Limassol and spans an impressive 55,000 square meters. Here, 27,000 square meters of construction rise from the ground, built with efficiency, sustainability, and progress in mind. Designed from the ground up, this greenfield project was brought to life in collaboration with Krones, the German giants of beverage machinery. Hand in hand with the 50 years of experience from the Casatli Group, in just 18 months, from the first excavation to the very first bottle, this Freez Mix Factory became a reality, leading the way for beverage production in the 21st century. With the ability to produce over 1 million bottles a day, our innovation is built on 4 key pillars. First, a 5,000 square meter raw material basement, the backbone of our operations. Next, a dedicated building for bottle decoration, equipped with 4 production lines. At the core is our state-of-the-art bottling facility, featuring 2 fully automated production lines, each producing an impressive 45,000 bottles per hour, pushing our daily output to this remarkable milestone, 1 million bottles a day. Precision is everything. Equipped with Krones machinery, the pinnacle of German engineering, every aspect of this facility was built for efficiency, high speed, and hygiene. From automated systems to pristine hygienic flooring and walls, it's all designed with meticulous attention to detail. The last pillar is another 5,000 square meters of warehouse space, ready to store these finished products for distribution worldwide. But at the heart of all this technology are our people, dedicated professionals who ensure every bottle meets the highest standards of quality. Thanks to the power of automation, this immense operation runs with remarkable efficiency, requiring minimal hands-on manpower. We're not just about beverages. We're about a sustainable future. Powered by 1.2 megawatts of solar energy and helping to preserve the nature of Cyprus. Our massive wastewater treatment plant ensures an intact waste suitable for irrigation. We minimize our environmental footprint with every bottle we produce. Freez Mix is more than just a factory. It's a vision of what's possible when innovation, dedication, and sustainability come together. Welcome to the future of beverages. Welcome to Freez Mix. Freez Mix. Choose your mix. Choose your flavor.